Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to rotate an image on Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the right side of your screen and then go ahead and click on this little plus icon and then click on image. Once you click on image, you need to select which image that you want to add from your PC. Once you select it, as you can see guys, now it's added. So firstly, if you want to adjust it, you can change the zoom in or zoom out, and then you can select the image and then adjust it to the frame. So grab it from here and then we're gonna make it smaller frame and then zoom in again. So right here, as you can see guys, in aspect, you can make it either fixed or free. So basically guys, fixed will keep the original size of the image. And by clicking on free, you can change the size of the image. So once you choose the size that you want, you can go right here, change the position. And lastly, in order to rotate the image, you need to click on this little icon in the middle and then hold it and drag it to the right or to the left in order to rotate the image. So as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find also the option to rotate to the left or rotate to the right. It's also working. And right here, you can either flip it horizontally or vertically, add an animation, duplicate, and lastly, delete. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.